I have my vanity here. It's a mess right now, sorry. I have my vanity here, and then this is like a makeup cabinet, and then my dresser, and then I have windows right here. And so I'm wondering, I can't show you until never mind, I'll show you tomorrow. I thought I was gonna be able to show you something, but I can't. Tomorrow. But hi, Snoopy. Snoopy. He's a good boy. I think it's gonna look nice. I think this closet is going to be trashed. I think there's only gonna be like, I think there's only gonna be random stuff in it. Like, we already have a bike in there, but I think the rest of it's gonna look nice. Like the bed, the, you know, makeup tutorials in the vanity. I would love stuff like that. That would be super fun if that was just super girly, but then we wouldn't have room to put all the stuff that we don't like really use. Like, where would we put the bike? Yeah, I don't know. I think it's gonna come together though. I think it's gonna look nice. So yeah, I don't know. After I get a desk, I think tonight I'm going to start looking at where I can get desks and stuff. You can hang bikes on the wall, you know. Yeah, but where? Where would we put it on the wall? Which wall, you think? Misa Mame. Hey, well, you guys, I'm gonna ask you something. Will you recommend me an anime to watch? I kind of want to watch. I want to get back into anime because I haven't watched it in a long time. And I'd like to see if. Don't say. Jake goes no. Are there any good animes? Do any of you guys watch animes? Any good anime? There's a stream that streams anime. Come on, we like anime. Weebs are cool. Did you guys know that they're making a new Inuyasha? Dude, that was the first anime I ever watched. I watched like all of it and was very obsessed with it, me and my sister. But I don't recommend it. I don't think it's a good anime. Anybody who recommends Inuyasha to people that like don't watch anime, don't. You're gonna ruin it for them. They're never gonna watch anime. I Was a Different Story. If you like Death Note, you'll love. Oh no, I've watched that anime, but that's like an older one because I've seen that before. Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia. My Hero Academy. I thought